Hi friends. In this video I'm going to show you how to enable custom thumbnails on YouTube. Enabling custom thumbnails is one of the easiest but most important things you can do for your YouTube channel. We show you how. Install Mozilla Firefox. When you are logged into YouTube, you should see your profile logo in the top right-hand corner. Tab on YouTube Studio. Open Video Settings and tab on Video Thumbnail. You will find a blue Verify button. Click that to start the process. To verify your YouTube account, Google will send you a verification code to a phone number either through an automated voice or text message, which you can choose on the screen. Do note, so you can only verify 2 YouTube accounts per phone number, per year. Once you put your phone number, tap Submit. I requested a text message, which sent me the verification code. Input the 6-digit verification code, click Submit, and that will verify your account, which instantly gives you access to adding custom thumbnails to your videos. Don't forget to leave a like, and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more helpful videos.